Hey guys, it's me, Jesse Clark, Small Business Resources. What if you had a meeting software that allowed you to send an invite link to your client and all they had to do was click on it, enter their name, and boom, they're in. There's no login, there's no downloading a software, boom, enter their name and they're in. Today I'm going to show you Proficonf. This program is going to save you time and money and your clients are going to love it. So this review is a follow-up from a review I did on my first Proficonf a couple months ago, a few months back. However, there has been some new features added, and so those are what I'm going to actually go over today. You'll be able to see down in the description the link to my full review of the software. But today we're just going to cover some of the new features that I think have really upped the game of this meeting, this video conference software. It still has a free version, which we're going to go over the packages at the end. But right now, I'm just going to log in. Say you created your meeting and you forgot that you want to go back and edit. You can just leave this meeting and then it's still available. But what I want to go do is I want to go back in here and edit because there's a couple things that I want to add to it. So I'm just going to edit. I can change the title, add the date and time, choose a time zone. Who do I want the speaker and the viewer to be? This is all the same. But what's kind of cool is you can add auto start recording, okay? Or you can enable post redirection page. So let's say after my training, let's say I've got 30 people in my meeting, and when I'm done, I want, before they close out and exit the meeting, I want them to have a button to redirect to my website or to a landing page or a product or whatever it might be. So that is a really cool new feature. How easy it is to have your clients join the meeting. So you can see here, this is a client I've invited. I'm ready to click on it for them. They're going to join it. They're just going to click join the conference and they're going to join the room. And since I've already invited this person to the room, they don't even have to enter their name. So they're going to join. And now you can see that it's me and the client inside this room. So the next new feature you have is that you can actually preview or show your participants in a tile mode. So you can click up here in display modes and you can see fill the whole screen, fit on the larger side, active, full screen, tile grid. So you can see them like this and they'll just line up in boxes, similar to that of Teams and Zoom that you can have right now. The next new feature that they have is you can change the functional roles of your participants. So you can see here's the guest. I can actually go down here to change role and I can have them view their speaker now, but I can have them just viewer, moderator, and click apply. Real simple. Some of the other options is you can block participants, remove them entirely, restrict their chat. So great control over your participants. The next new feature has to do with translations. You can go up here to the gear icon, go down here to advanced, and then you can choose, and let's just choose Espanol. It's going to refresh your screen and you can see here now it is in Spanish. So you can do a translation. Great feature. Streaming your meetings to Facebook or YouTube. Instead of me actually showing you through here to save time, I'm going to just show you how to access the instructions. So you're going to go down here to the left hand side, support chat, and you can just go back, do a search, stream to Facebook, and you can see right here you have Facebook live streaming with Proficonf and YouTube live streaming. This is going to give you the instructions on how to access from either platform, how to access the live streaming, get the server URL and the streaming key URL. You'll create those events inside the social media, and then you can actually stream your meetings live. The last feature I want to discuss is going to be how to download your participants. So when the meeting's all over, you can just go up here, leave, exit. So you're going to go over here. You have upcoming and then completed. I want to go over here to my completed. But I want to go up here to the 3 dots and I can actually download the participants. Okay. You're going to click on that. It's going to download them into an CSV file in Excel, and boom, there you can have the participants. So the pricing you see is still the same as from before. There is a free version, a pro version, and a premium version. Just depending on what features you need, you can check these out here under the pricing page. I do want to tell you that the streaming feature will be an add-on to the Pro and Premium at extra cost of like $10 a month. So that is pretty much it. So if you are in the business of having meetings virtually, especially during the COVID and all this pandemic where everyone's working from home, or if you're a teacher, you're a business owner, IT support, whatever, check out this platform. I'm going to have a link down in the description, and you can see a previous link to a previous Proficonf video I did over here. And do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell down below. And if there's anything else you guys are wanting me to do a review on or a training, please add it down in the description and I'd be more than happy to do it. Again, have a great day. See you next time.